So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download motherboard driver. So first guys, you have to come on gigabyte.com. You can see www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website. Okay, then you can see here search button. So click to search button and then type your model number of your motherboard, Z890 Eagle WIFI7, then hit enter. Then click to product. Click to title of motherboard name. Then click to support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 11. Okay, if you have a Windows 11 and 10, so you can watch this video and install one by one. USB driver. So ITC USB driver, click to download and just single click open. Double click launch. This is extracted data driver. Yes. So then double click. Yes. So you can see here ITE USB connector driver installing. It is installed and then close it.